New details. Tulsa Police are looking for a former officer tonight. D'Angelo Reyes is charged with first-degree rape and forcible sodomy. He failed to appear in court on Friday.
Now we learned today his girlfriend actually filed a missing persons report. Fox 23 crime and safety reporter John Sebas spoke with the district attorney today after a new arrest warrant was issued for Reyes.
D'Angelo Reyes was arrested last Wednesday after being charged with forcible sodomy. He bonded out of jail and was said to have a court date last Friday, but according to court records, he never showed up to court and was not represented. As of this afternoon, there is now a bench warrant out for D'Angelo Reyes' arrest. We told you about D'Angelo Reyes' newest charge of forcible sodomy. It comes after court records say police looked through his phone and found another victim. The records say she told detectives she would perform sexual favors for him so he would leave her alone. The records say she suffered from brain trauma and functioned at a 5th to 6th grade level. That charge dates back to 2020. It's the second charge he is facing. The first one we told you about was back in 2022. Body cam shows Reyes interacting with someone outside of his patrol unit.
I'm Eric. You're sexy. Is that unprofessional of me? I don't know. I'm sorry.
He was later charged with raping that victim by force or fear. Reyes wrote a letter after he was charged saying he was innocent. I spoke with District Attorney Steve Kunzweiler on Reyes failing to show for court on Friday.
It's outstanding. Obviously, it's going to be entered into the system. I'm presuming it's already been entered into the system with a bond that high, and obviously the nature of the allegations. We want to make sure anybody who is familiar with Mr. Reyes or anybody that might be coming into contact with him will know, all right, this is something you need to treat a little bit more cautiously than you might otherwise do.
We received a statement from Reyes' attorney saying, "I was shocked and immediately concerned for D'Angelo when he was not in court as scheduled. His failure to appear and respond to my calls and texts is completely out of character. His family and friends are worried sick for him. His girlfriend filed a missing persons report the morning he was due in court, and I've spoken with law enforcement who are doing what they can to ascertain what has happened to him." We will hear more from District Attorney Steve Kunzweiler coming up later tonight. As of now, the bond on his bench warrant is set at $150,000. Covering news that matters, John Sebas, Fox 23 News.